In my doctoral research, I studied the link between transportation and equity, and between sustainability and sustainability goals and equity issues. We all know that the transport sector generates a number of negative externalities on both the anthropic and natural environments. The current increase in population trends will cause a growth in the number of megacities worldwide, as well as in the number of polycentric urban settlements, creating new peripheries both within and outside large urban systems that will exacerbate the externalities from the transport sector, such as congestion, air pollution, conflict with the passenger and freight transport, and inequities between different mobility users. In my research, I look at different definitions of equity which can be applied to the transport sector, keeping in mind that equity primarily means going beyond the financial logic and ensuring opportunities for both individuals and territories. The main questions that I will address within my PhD project are: how do we include equity issues within the transport sector, how in transport planning, and how in infrastructure and service project and management? How do we estimate and evaluate the impacts in terms of equity of projects and plans within the transport sector? How do we include equity assessments within bigger scale evaluative instruments like cost-benefit analysis and others? And how do we ensure the dialogue between equity and the other dimensions of sustainability? And finally, what contribution can the inclusion of equity bring to the sustainable mobility paradigm, and what benefits can it bring for the achievement of sustainability goals at European and local level? My overall aim is to demonstrate that it is necessary to discuss, understand, and include equity within sustainability processes and planning, as planning mobility with an eye to equity implications ensures the safeguarding of territorial attractiveness and specificities, the limiting of disparities within peripheries and urban cores, and allows the adoption of virtuous and sustainable development models from an environmental, financial, and social perspective.